Okay, so let's continue. Again, guys, welcome back to the stream. So, again, let me give you the context. Today, we are building or continuing our chat application project. Right now, this stream is all about the backend functionality. After that, we will be moving to front end. So, right now, in our backend, we implemented creation of chat room and our and creating socket connections between joining the socket connections of two users to a specific room. So yeah, so that's pretty much it that we did in previous streams. Right now, today we will be implementing other chat room routes, controller for other chat room routes, that will be room ID, like we get the messages by room ID, then initiate room. Then we have the initiate chat room, which we have implemented. Then the post message. Then the post message that we will be implementing. Yep. So that's pretty much it. Okay. So let's get started. Okay. So let's get started. Let's just continue doing our stuff here. So yep. So let's. Okay. So inside this initiate chat, first of all, we need to comment this part down. So we don't want to emit anything in initiate chat for now. Okay. Okie dokie. So, okay. Anything else? No. Initiator. So, I guess okay. So, yeah. Okay, we will do the code cleanup later. So, right now, let's just implement a message schema. Okay, so let me just get a brief design for what we want to store in a message schema. Okay, so first of all, let's just create a raw schema for our chat message. So chat message dot ts. Now in here we're gonna create a export default class. Then class name will be chat message, which also extends our base Mongo raw. Okay, so that's our base Mongo raw, and this will be our iChat message, iChat message, which also implements our iChat message model interface. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So I guess it's legit also. So first of all, let's just create a iChat message model. iChat message model.t.ts, and in here export interface iChat message model, which extends our I base model. Okay, for now that's okay. So and also let's just provide it with the entity, which is iChat message. Okay, now let's just go in the code typings and create a little interface here also, at the dot d.ts. Now again export interface chat message, and in here, okay, I extends ibase raw. Okay, extends ibase raw. Now let's set. Okay, now let's just define our. So what else we need in a chat message schema? So so we need first of all chat room ID, like from which chat room does that message belongs. So first of all chat room ID, which will be a string, and then we will have message, which will be also like type any. It can be anything. Okay, and then we will have type. Okay, let's just keep it a string for now, like string. Okay, so no, first of all we got to create an enum, and let's just call it message types dot ts. Inside here export enum message types. Inside here let's just create it text. Okay, now let's go and go with the type and message types. Okay, first for now it's just text, so and then posted by user, which will be again a string, like this will be an id. Then we need a read by recipient, so we'll just do that also. Read by recipients. Okay, and this will be our array, maybe, which will be an array of strings. Then we have the time. Okay, so yep, so we don't need this. Yeah, again, let's go in our I chat room chat message, and in here just import this part. Okay, and also import this one. Okay, now that's our first. Okay, so that's our first chat message. Now we gotta okay, so now we gotta create a method which in which we will be what we will be doing like we want to create a. So first of all we want to create a message. What we need here, so we need to create a message here. So how can we do that? We gotta mm, so mm, so first of all we gotta create a method here. So let's just call it again, create post in chat room, maybe uh create chat message, something like that. I don't know, maybe that. Okay, and in here we will be passing chat room id, then our message, and then our posted by user. Okay, then again let's just declare types for it. First will be a string, the other one will be also a string, another one will be also a posted by a string. Okay, this will be our, and let's just do one more thing, async. So how is this not giving me any error? Okay, again it what it will return, it will return a response. Let's just give it a type any for now. Okay, promise any. Then simply just we gotta first of all I just round it and try and catch so that we can catch errors. Now first of all let's just create a message. Message is equals to await this dot create. Okay, so this insert one, and in here we need document. Okay, so first of all this dot insert, and then we need this one, chat room ID message, and then posted by user. Okay, so now we need extra add missing properties. This will be text, message type dot text, correct. Now let's see message. No, message don't have any message. Okay, maybe a little spelling mistake. Okay, so let's just we'll call it post. Good, good. Read by recipient. It's for now it's an empty array. Now we have our maybe like post here. So inside now let's just create an aggregate. Inside this aggregate we'll need we'll use await again this dot sorry. Okay, so this dot find. So let's just look something up here. Mongo using aggregation in find method. Okay, yeah, we got something robust aggregation pipeline. Okay. Using aggregation in Mongo in Node.js. Do we have something for aggregation? Yeah, colon insert many pipeline. Okay. Okay, so we gotta implement an aggregation function in our base Mongo raw. Okay, so let's just async create another aggregate, and inside this aggregate let's just have query again, which will filter and t promise anything for now. Okay, now let's just this return this dot aggregate. Okay, so let's check what it takes as input. Not this. Okay, this dot collection dot aggregate. Okay, now we can check key what it takes. So basically it takes, okay, let me just close these two. Okay, so it takes options, aggregate options, and the pipeline. Okay, so we gotta use them right here, aggregate options, then quickly import them from MongoDB this dot aggregate. So pipeline. And now first of all if you have options, then this dot collection dot aggregate, and then okay, let's first of all return this dot aggregate dot to aggregate, then pipeline, then options. Okay, otherwise just the pipeline. Okay, yeah, good enough. Yeah, good enough. And what's its return type? So let's check the return aggregation cursor. Okay, okay, so it will return an aggregation cursor. So uh we gotta do something about that one. So first of all, let's just create a let cursor is equals to uh let's declare the first of all cursor, then cursor is equal to this, and then again otherwise else cursor is equal to this, Okay, and then we gotta return it. So let result is await, and then cursor dot to array, then simply just return the result. Now yeah, so we have this aggregate. Mm-hmm. With ID p and array. No document. Okay, so we're gonna just say it's a document. Now what? Okay, so it's a document, not the promise. Now what? So the document is missing the following properties from type URL linkers. Okay, so again let's just do one more thing. Okay, return the uh, just return the cursor. Let's return the cursor, and inside this cursor you will just say aggregation cursor. Okay, yeah, this aggregation cursor. Okay, now import it. Good. We don't need the async here, so let's just remove it. And now go here, go here. What's the problem again? The cursor is not assignable to the type document is not assignable to type T, and document is and the document. Okay, let me check the error again. The type aggregate document is not document is not assignable to type T. Document is not assignable. Okay, so let's just extends and then I base model. Okay, good. Okay, let me just revert it all back to its original state. Now good. Yeah, good. No errors, no errors. Okay. Let's just say it will return a promise any. So yeah. So I base model. Yeah, good. Okay. Now we have this aggregation function. So let's just now go in this chat method and just use the aggregation. Now this dot aggregate. Inside this aggregate, we gotta first of all create the pipeline. So let's just create the pipeline here. So const pipeline is equals to, and then this will be our pipeline. First of all, we need to match to get the post ID, and then post dot inserted ID. Okay, so first of all we need to match that, then we need to, so we gotta you know so now we gotta use a join. So again guys, if you don't know what I am doing here, and you are not able to understand what's going on, you can just ask me in comments. I'll try my best to answer them, and yeah, I do answer them as quickly as possible also. So you don't, yeah, like have to worry, like if I'm gonna ghost something like that. No. So that's okay, that's what I wanted to say. Today I guess I'm streaming so late. I got some extra work that I have to finish by tomorrow, again, because I don't want to work on Saturdays. So that's why it took so much time. It's 3 in the morning right now. So guys, please appreciate my hard work. Kind of hard work, yeah. So that's what I want. That's what I want. Right now we are at 56 or 57, maybe 57 subscribers. I just want you guys to support me and get me at least 100 by this month, maybe more than, I don't know how much, but yeah, please. So if you are like liking this content, please do like, share and subscribe, and that this will just motivate me to bring more content to you guys. Like I have literally 37 unfinished projects that I really want to finish, so that's why. So yeah, so please do support me. Thank you guys. So far I'm getting like a good response from you guys. Okay, so let's continue. Now we have this match here. Okay, now, okay, so we gotta, okay, we don't need this one here, and okay, I guess I can let's just do a little formatting here. Again, then dollar, match, match underscore ID, where uh, you know, where post post dot inserted ID. So we need to check like get post where ID is equals to the inserted ID. Okay. Then after that we gotta do a little join here. So to do that, you can, in aggregation, you have to use lookup, and inside this lookup you gotta first of all mention which collection you wanna create a join on. Then you gotta create a local field of that particular collection, that is of our collection posted by user. Okay, then FORI, and then the foreign field, so FOREIGN, foreign field, which is again underscore ID of that user collection. Then you gotta represent it as posted by user. Okay, so that's our lookup here. Now we gotta use unwind. So let's just implement the unwind here. So dollar unwind dollar posted by user. Okay, now we gotta again use lookup here to create another join. So let's just say, okay, so first of all let me just okay, document pipeline. Okay, so pipeline is type of document, so just to give it a type here. Let's see, where is document. document. Okay, there is nothing like document here. So let me just document interface. Yeah. So same for this from MongoDB. Same for this import document from MongoDB. So yeah, now we have okay, now no errors. Now let's go here and create another join. So for creating another join, we will go for lookup here, and from we are gonna use from. Again, they mentioned the collection name here. So let me check what was my collection name. Okay, I didn't start the server. So first of all, I have to start it ss run local.sh. Well, okay, yeah, server started. Okay, go again, connection, chat app, collection, chat room, chat underscore room. Now we got a chat underscore room. So from chat underscore room, then again local field, which is a chat room ID. Now FOREGIEN foreign field, which is underscore ID as chat room info. Okay. Again, do a little unwind, unwind, unwind. Then again, chat room info. Again, unwind, dollar, unwind, then dollar, chat room info dot user IDs. Okay. Now then again, dollar lookup from users, local field, chat room info dot user IDs, FOREIGN foreign field, which will be again underscore ID as chat room info dot user profile. Okay. Now this is yeah, again use dollar unwind, again dollar, where's the dollar, maybe chat room info dot user profile. Okay, then we gotta group the data here. So for that we will be using dollar group, and in here ID is equals to dollar chat room info dot underscore ID, then post ID, which will be something like dollar last dollar underscore ID. Okay, then go again chat room ID, which will be okay. I have to can't write this, so yeah, I have somewhere written in notepad, so I'm just gonna paste it for now because it's just too long to write, that's why. So yeah, so we have pipeline here, so let's just insert that pipeline, this dot aggregate. Now we gotta return aggregate and then 0. Yeah. Okay, so here we have our chat create message method ready here. Then let's just console.log error while creating chat message. Okay, create chat message, then the error again, throw new error. error while creating chat message. Error, yeah. So that's a method here. Now we will be implementing it in our message route. So let's go here, like chat message routes. Okay. Okay. I always forgot chat room route. Yeah, chat room routes, post message, then initiate. Yeah, this man. So first of all, again, let's just cover it up and try catch so that we don't get any errors. And if we do, then like so that we can handle errors. So first of all, room ID. So we are getting room ID from request.params, and then we will be creating a message payload. Message payload is simply just uh, message message text, which will be request.body.message message text. Okay. Now get the current user logged in. So current user is equals to request.user ID. Again, const post is equals to, now we got to create a message here, const post, and await. Okay, so first of all, I forgot to initiate it right here, so let's just initiate it as singleton.ts, and in here I'll just do that, and then chat message, and the collection will be chat message, and then chat message model. We don't need this. Okay, we don't need this. We don't need this. We don't need this. Now let's just import it in our routes. Okay, chat message model dot create chat message, and then just say message payload, and then current user. Okay. Okay, so what's a chat room ID? So first of all, okay, so first of all, room ID, which is chat room ID. So chat room ID. Then the next one is message. So just get the message const request dot body chat message. Then the type of message. So for not the type of message, what is it? Posted by user. So the user ID. So I'm just gonna say current user. You can say the request dot user ID. So if uh, current user exists, then just give it to it. Okay, so current chat room ID, and then posted by user is string. Object on is with a property and current user does not. Okay, so I can say it's posted by user. So posted by user, posted by user, correct. Then simply just return it. So maybe return it. Then we gotta emit it. So web. So socket connections dot get io dot sockets dot in, then chatroom id dot emit 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 a receive message event. So let me just check index.html and receive message event here, and then the message, which will be message post. Okay, now again use an await here, and then simply just say return rest.status 200 with a send success true, and then post. Okay, now if an error, then simply just say rest.status 500 dot send. Okay, let's do one thing today. Let's just implement every controller right here, and in the next one, we will be testing this implementation and like okay, like improving it, and if and fixing the errors on the go. So right now I'm just gonna implement everything, so that in the next one we just want to make sure everything works fine, and maybe finish it. Maybe finish the backend finally. Then we can start on creating the front end. Let me give me a minute just. Okay. Now, so seems like a nice project. Hi Soap. Yeah, it is like a nice project, or you can. I'm gonna say it's a very big project. Like you're creating everything from scratch. Okay, there is no pre-written code first of all, and plus it's a production ready code, so like it's highly scalable. It includes interfaces, classes, everything, singleton and dependency injection concepts, and it also like if you are able to code it the right way, you will be able to understand the concepts like singleton and dependency injection, which are pretty much like high level concepts in programming. It also uses uh, oops concepts like polymorphism and maybe abstraction and what was it again, inheritance. So mainly those concepts. So yeah, that's the whole idea behind this project. Again guys, if you have any queries, please ask me in comments, or if you need any personal help on your personal project, you can reach out to me on Instagram. I have mentioned my Instagram account link in this video's description. So yeah, all you have to do, just DM me there, and I'll just hit you up with your with your query, and just hit me up with your query. Okay. Again guys, it's 3. Okay, it's gonna be 4 in the morning, so let's just finish our project as soon as possible. I guess in the next stream, we will be able to finally, say that our backend is complete. Then we can start on, working on our front end. Again, yeah, we will also deploying it on, like we will also do some deployment of this project to, showcase it. Okay, so we have a message one written here. Now let's just, okay, now this one will, okay, let me just add comments. This route will return all the messages by room ID. So let's go again here, try catch. Now inside this yeah, but I really don't want to sleep right now because this project will be, revolving around my head ki yeah, I have to complete it, I have to complete it. I really hate procrastination. Like I guess I'm, doing stream on this project for like let me just check. Do a quick check. How long? So I started it 3 weeks ago. And it's still going for us. Like still now I have done 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, like 12. I have done 12 streams on it. And like they are not pretty much big. All of them are 1 hour or maybe 2 hours long. But still, it's a pretty much big. Yeah, yeah. It's a long time. Like, but still, like it's totally worth it. Like it, there, like unlike other YouTubers, there is no pre-written code. So I'm not just copy pasting everything. Everything you are seeing here is build. I'm building it from scratch, including solving the errors that I'm getting on this project, so that you guys can get a like little bit confidence on building things on your own. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. So that's pretty much it that I wanted to say. So this route will okay. So this route will okay. Let me just check. Okay, everything is working fine. Server is up and running correctly. Now this route will return the messages. So first of all, let's just say messages is this and then this. Now chat message model. Yeah, me too, buddy. Yeah, I will also love to find how this ends. Okay. Now inside this we got to build a query and let's just delete this and then let's go in no I chat message .d.ts and chat room ID here. So chat room ID is okay. So request.params. Okay, so const room ID. Uh, again, so if you are new here, please do like, share, and subscribe. Like like this like this won't give me some money, but it will just help me to stay motivated that I'm getting some response from you guys. So yeah, and if you are like finding this project helpful or these streams helpful, just like you can share it with your friends also. Okay, I did one more mistake. Yeah, room ID. Chat room ID is room ID. Okay. Now messages. We got the messages here. Thank you so much, buddy. Are you new here or like you have already joined this channel? Like so like I don't know, yeah. I'm just too lazy to speak right now, but still yeah. So are you new here or you are just a returning viewer? So rest dot status 200 dot send. Success true. And then messages maybe, yep. And then let's just say s dot status 500 400 dot 500 dot send. Yeah, okay, you just found the live stream. Yep. Where are you from? Successful false and then successful message internal error. Okay, yeah. So this one gives our room ID. I don't know why did I created this route right here, but let's just comment it so that in future if we get a reminder, something like that, ki, yeah, you have you got to implement this route for this for a specific purpose, then we will do that. Now we gotta have a mark read. So let's just do that again. Now we gotta mark the read the conversation by room ID. Okay. Let me just adjust my screen so that I can read the comments here. Yeah. Okay, so let's just implement the uh, controller for mark mark read. Again, we gotta throw an error here. So throw new error. Okay, no, we gotta log it console.log error while fetching messages error. Yeah. Again, guys, if you like, once this backend is finished, we will be continuing on front end, and like if you and for the for comfortability or compatibility or whatever, for you guys, only for you guys, I'll collect all these streams and create one playlist, or I will combine all of them and edit them without the breaks, and mostly the code part. I will create a video of it and upload it on my YouTube channel so that you guys can easily find the find most of the code. Again, pardon my English, because as I said, I'm too sleepy right now. I can't I just want to focus all my energy on my code right now. So that's why I'm speaking like this, but still okay. Cons, first of all, we gotta fetch the room ID. This will be room ID, then our request dot params. Await chat room model dot find. Okay, so we gotta find one. Okay, now let's just say its ID is equals to room ID. Okay, now if the room doesn't exist, if the room doesn't exist, okay, what's its type? Let me just check. Okay, with ID. Okay, no, no. If the room doesn't exist, then simply just say res. Okay, it means that do it. Okay, res dot status 400 and send success false and message saying no room exists for this ID. Yep, for this ID. Okay, then if it does, then just first of all get the current user. Const current user is equals to request dot user ID. Const result is equals to await chat message model dot did we okay, so we forgot to create a method here to mark the message read, so let's just implement it. Let's go in the class chat message raw, and in here create a method again, mark message mark message read, and first of all we will need a chat room ID and current user ID. Okay, let's just define that type. Chat room ID is a string. So Soap, are you also a developer? Current user ID, which will be a string also, and Okay, so now let's just say return this dot sorry, update many, and then okay, so like what kind of developer are you? Are you like mostly work on front end or back end or a full stack, but mostly on back end, or a full stack or mostly on front end? Okay, so let's just say chat room ID and read by recipients dot read by full stack, mostly back end. Okay. What's your stack? Read by dollar any, and then current user ID, and then we gotta sorry, I missed. What was your stack? Read by recipients, and then read by user ID, again current user ID. Okay. Well, I mainly use TypeScript, React, and MongoDB. Okay. Okay, so Node.js is you use Node.js for backend. Got it. Okay, now we have this add to set. So what else am I missing? What else am I missing? So are you still in college? Okay, so yep. So again, we have to set multi to true so that it will update the multiple documents. Okay, so okie dokie. So that's implementation for this dot updates. Okay, and then what will be its return type? Okay, promise updated is. So you don't know Node.js. What's that error? Okay, so you are still in school? Wow, that's really inspiring that you are still in school and TypeScript, React, and MongoDB. Hmm. Object literal may specify only properties and read by user ID. Does not exist in optional ID string. Okay, what's that? Okay, let's give it type any for now so that we can get rid of this error here. Okay, so update menu doesn't require this. Now So I guess so far we don't. Okay, chat room routes has some errors. Now, okay, so mark message read, and we will provide chat room ID as room ID, and the current user ID is current user ID. Okay. Current user ID. Okay, current user ID. Array. Okay. Oh yeah. What the hell? Current user ID. Yeah. Then the current user ID. Then okay, again we got this error. Okay. So if current user ID, then do this and just send rest dot status 200 dot send is send success true and result. Okay, now again rest dot status 500 to catch any errors either than send and send simply success false. Successful and message internal server error. So yeah, uh, so far no red errors and our server is up and running so far without any errors. So let's just push our code here, get status, get add everything, get status again, get commit. Okay, what else we added? Chat routes, initiate routes, send chat message, get all messages by ID, and then what is mark message as read, implement. Okay, implemented chat message schema, created two methods. Okay, now we're just that's more than enough messages enough for our commit, and let's just push origin. Yep, so everything is pushed. Let me check my repository real quick. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, so we have completed it. Okay, so it's almost complete. Now, in the next stream, we will be doing some final touches and some code cleanup, and this will be like, and this will be our final. The next stream will be our final stream as we have written all the code here, and I guess yeah. So that's our whole code here, code right here. Like there is no specific time. Uh, maybe after 12. I usually start streaming after 12 a.m. So yeah, I'm trying to normalize the timing. What time zone? Where are where are you from? Mm, Okay, you are from UK. Yeah, so basically I'm from India, so I guess maybe what time zone? I forgot what time zone India was. Maybe GMT plus 5:30. Yeah, for you it's maybe around 7:30. Yeah, correct. Yeah, sure, buddy. I'll appreciate that. Again, if you have any doubts, just ask me in comments or follow me on Instagram. I'll try my best to, uh, like answer your queries or help you with some personal project. I have mentioned my Instagram link in below with this stream's description, so you can check it out. I usually also post updates on my Instagram. Okay. So I guess that's it for today. And here you can see for yourself how many like what type of code we have written here. Models, raw, routes, utils, everything like so managed. So yeah, as I said, it's a production ready code. So yeah, it's highly scalable and everything. And yeah, so that's it. So I guess that's it for today. And again, thank you so much, guys, for your support. I just hope that we hit 100 plus subscribers for like by the end of this month. So yeah, I just hope it happens. So yeah, that's it for today. So see you in the next one. Bye. I'm shutting this stream down for now. And the next one will be our final stream, and in the next one, we will be doing some code cleanup and testing, and formatting our code, testing if all the functionalities are working fine or not. Then I'll just collect all of them inside, like combine all of this stream in the video, so that you guys can have better look. So yeah, so thank you again. uh yeah, thank you, buddy. Okay, so good night, everyone. See you in the next one. Bye bye. Yeah, good night, buddy.